meters. Now hill is what? You know 10. This is the total height is 10 plus h, right? So 17.3 plus 10. So 27.3 meters. Or if it's in root 3, it will be 10 root 3 plus 10. Next, the shadow of a tower when the angle of elevation is of the sun is 45 degrees is found to be 15 meters longer than when it is 60 degrees. Find the height of the tower. We have solved this problem, similar problem earlier. I think so in our earlier video 62. Okay, check that also. Quite easy one. Say this 45 degrees, then the height is the shadow is d plus 15. Okay, and when it is 60 degrees, it is d, right? And height is h common. Obviously, when the angle is lower, the shadow will be longer. Okay, so tan 60 equals to h upon d, opposite upon adjacent, right? See this. Therefore, h equals to what? Tan 60 into d. But tan 60 is what? Root 3. Right? Therefore, d root 3. Okay. Now, tan 45 equals to this h upon d plus 15. Right? Okay. So, h equals to 1 into what is tan 45? 1. 1 into d plus 15. Therefore, h equals to d plus 15. Now, solve this. But what is h? H is given as d root 3. Right? So, d root 3 equals to d plus 15. Take d on the other side. D into root 3 minus 1 equals to 15. D equals to 15 upon root 3 minus 1. Now rationalize this. Means what? Multiplied with the opposite same numbers, same radicals and opposite sign. So d into 15 root 3 plus 1 upon this will be what? Root 3 square minus 1 square, that is 3 minus 1 2, right? Therefore h will be what? D root 3. That's what we have found out above. So d root 3 means 15 root 3 plus 1 upon 2 into root 3. So multiply root 3 inside. To watch the videos further, kindly download YogaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.